Hi guys, welcome to Layer Graphics. In this video, I will show you how to create superheroes images like this using Bing AI. First, open any web browser. Click on Images. Then click on the Create button. Copy this prompt, which is on my channel description. Paste it here. Now click on the Create button. Here is the result. Click on the Download button to download images. You can change your superhero character name like this. Then click the Create button. These are other images I generated. You can also generate images like this using Bing AI. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to us to watch more videos.